So next we have solution of Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. So the partial differential equation, which is of the form capital P into small p plus capital Q into small q, which is equal to capital R, is called Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. So if the given partial differential is in the form of Lagrange's linear partial differential equation, Pp plus Qq is equal to R, we form the equation of the form dx by capital P, which is equal to dy by capital Q, which is equal to dz by capital R, which is the auxiliary equation. So this system of equations is to be solved to get the solution. Now we can consider the suitable pairs which can be put in the form like f of x into dx equal to g of y into dy, g of y into dy which is equal to h of z into dz, f of x into dx which is equal to h of z into dz, that is variable separable method. By using variable separable method, we have to put the system of equations in this form, so that by integration we can obtain the relations which of the form x comma y, y comma z, or z comma x. Or there is another method, we have a property in ratio and proportion, that a ratio a1 by b1 is equal to a2 by b2, which is equal to a3 by b3, which is also equal to k1 into a1 plus k2 into a2 plus k3 into a3 divided by k1 into b1 plus k2 into b2 plus k3 into b3. So with reference to the auxiliary equation, we first find the multipliers k1, k2, k3, k1 dash, k2 dash, k3 dash, such that dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r, which is also equal to k1 into dx plus k2 into dy plus k3 into dz divided by k1p plus k2q plus k3r, which can also be written as k1 dash into dx plus k2 dash into dy plus k3 dash into dz divided by k1 dash p plus k2 dash q plus k3 dash r. We will write this form to obtain the values of k1, k2, k3, k1 dash, k2 dash, and k3 dash. So next, integrating the two new expressions, we obtain two relations connecting x, y, z. Also, suppose u of xyz is equal to c1 and v of xyz is equal to c2 are the relations so obtained. Then pi of u comma v is equal to 0. Then pi of u comma v is equal to 0 is a general solution of the partial differential equation pp plus qq is equal to r. So we have the problem x into dz by dx plus y into dz by dy x into del z by del x plus y into del z by del y equal to z. So this is in the form p plus q equal to r. Here capital P is x, capital Q is equal to y, and capital R is equal to z. Therefore the auxiliary equation becomes dx by capital P, which is equal to dy by capital Q, which is equal to dz by capital R, that is dx by x plus dy by y plus dz by z. So this is a system of equations. Now consider pairs, that means dx by dy, dx by x, which is equal to dy by y. So now these are already in variable separable method. So now directly by integration we get integration dx by x is equal to integration dy by y. So integration of 1 by x, that is log x, which is equal to integration of 1 by y is log y. So we take the integral constant as log c1. So by taking log y to the left side, we get log x minus log y is equal to log c1. So log x minus log y can be written as log of x divided by y, which is equal to log c1. In both sides we cancel log to obtain x by y is equal to c1. Now again consider the second pair, that is dy by y is equal to dz by z. So we can integrate directly since this is already in variable separable method. So integration of 1 by y into dy is equal to integration of 1 by z into dz. Integration of 1 by y is log y, which is equal to integration of 1 by z is log z plus integral constant log c2. So taking log z minus left side, we get log y minus log z is equal to log c2. So log of y by z is equal to log c2. By cancelling log, we get y by z equal to c2. So here we obtain two solutions, x by y equal to c1 and y by z is equal to c2. So we write this as this general solution pi of u comma v. Here the solution x by y is equal to c1 is u and the solution y by z is equal to v. Therefore this general solution becomes pi of u comma v, that is pi of x comma x divided by y comma y divided by z, which is equal to 0, which is the general solution. Next problem is y square z into p plus x square of z cube plus y. So the given equation becomes y square zp, which is equal to x square z cube plus x square y. Take x square z cube to the left side, we get y square zp minus x square z cube, which is equal to x square y. So this is in the form pp minus qq, pp plus qq, which is equal to r, where capital P is y square z, capital Q is minus x square z, and capital R is equal to x square y. Therefore the auxiliary equations are dx by capital P, which is equal to dy by capital Q, which is equal to dz by capital R, that is dx by y square z, which is equal to dy by minus x square z, which is equal to dz by x square y. Now consider the first pair, that is dx by y square z, which is equal to dy by minus x square by x square z. From both sides we can cancel z in the denominator to get dx by y square is equal to minus dy by x square. So by cross multiplying we get x square into dx, which is equal to minus y square into dy. Now we get the standard form. So on integration we get integration of x square is x cube by 3, which is equal to integration of minus y square is minus y cube by 3 plus integral constant is c1. So now multiply by 3, we get x cube is equal to minus y cube plus 3c1, or x cube plus y cube is equal to 3c1. Now consider the second pair, that is dy by minus x square z, which is equal to dz by x square y. Cancel x square from both sides in the denominator to get minus dy by z is equal to dz by y. By cross multiplying, we get minus y into dy, which is equal to z into dz. Now by integration, we get integration of minus y is y square by 2 minus y square by 2, which is equal to integration of z is z square by 2 plus c2, that is integral constant. So finally we get y square by 2 plus z square by 2 equal to c2, multiply by 2 to get y square plus z square is equal to 2c2. So here the first solution, x square plus x cube plus y cube is equal to 2c1, is taken as small u, and the another solution y square plus z square is equal to 2c2, that is taken as small v. Therefore the general solution becomes pi of u comma v, that is pi of x cube plus y cube comma y square plus z square equal to 0. So next problem is y minus z into p plus z minus x into q, which is equal to x minus y. So this is already in standard form, p plus q is equal to r, where capital P is equal to y minus x and capital Q is equal to z minus x and capital R is equal to x minus y. Therefore the auxiliary equation are dx by y minus z, which is equal to dy by z minus x, which is equal to dz by x minus y. So take this equation 1. Now use the multipliers 1 1 1. Each ratio is equal to dx plus dy plus dz divided by y minus z plus z minus x plus x minus y, which will become dx plus dy plus dz divided by 0, since in denominator all the terms get cancelled. Therefore we get dx plus dy plus dz equal to 0. We use this method to eliminate the denominator terms. Therefore on integration of dx is x plus integration of dy is y plus integration of dz is z, which is equal to c1. Again use the multipliers x y z, then equation becomes x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz divided by x of y minus z plus y of z minus x plus z of x minus y, which will become x dx plus y dy plus z dz divided by xy minus xz plus yz minus yx plus xz minus zy. Again denominator becomes 0, so we get x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz equal to 0. So on integration of x is x square by 2 plus integration of y is y square by 2 plus integration of z is z square by 2, which is equal to 0, which is equal to c2. c2 is integral constant. So multiply by 2, we get x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2c2. Therefore we have two solutions, x plus y plus z is equal to c1 and x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 2c2. Therefore the general solutions become pi of x plus y plus z comma x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. Next we have the problem y square plus z square of p plus x of yz yq minus z equal to 0. So by simplifying we get y square plus, sorry, this is, yes, y square plus z square of p plus xyq minus xz equal to 0. So we get y square plus z square of p plus xyq, taking minus xz to right side, we get xz. So this is in the standard form pp plus qq is equal to r, where capital P is y square plus z square, capital Q is xy, and capital R is xz. Auxiliary equation becomes dx by y square plus z square plus dy by equal to dy by xy equal to dz by xz. Take this equation 1. Now consider the second pair, that is dy by xy is equal to dz by xz. Since we can easily simplify this, so by cancelling x on both sides in the denominator, we get dy by y is equal to dz by z. So on integration, one different integration of 1 by y is log y, which is equal to integration of 1 by z is log z plus log c1. Take log z to the left side to get log y minus log z, and log y minus log z can be written as log of y plus y divided by z, which is equal to log c1. By cancelling log on both sides, we get y divided by z is equal to c1. So this is one solution. Now consider the first pair, that is dx divided by y square plus z square. Now we will consider the whole equation 1 and use the multipliers x minus y minus z. Then the equation becomes x into dx minus y into dy minus z into dz divided by x of y square plus z square, that means xy square plus xz square minus x into y square minus x into z square. So denominator becomes 0, we get x into dx minus y into dy minus z into dz equal to 0. So on integration of x is x square by 2 minus integration of y is y square by 2 minus integration of z is z square by 2, which is equal to c2. So by multiplying 2, we get x square minus y square minus z square is equal to 2c2. So that is the another solution. Therefore the general solution becomes pi of y divided by z comma x square minus y square minus z square, which is equal to 0. So that is the required solution. So here completes the fourth module. So I already told you that practice the wave equation and heat equations from your side. If you get any doubts, you can call me at any time.